I'm Icy Marinas.
I'm Nick Ang.
Nick is my brother-in-law. He's married to my sister, Jaja.
Hi, I'm Star. I'm a photographer.
Hi, I'm Kay. I'm a makeup artist. We've been married for 4 years.
4 years.
Late yung sagot mo. Hi, I'm Nadine and I'm a content producer.
I'm JP and I am a freelance writer. Colleague turned close friends.
Yeah, really close friends.
Yeah,
We're
really
like,
close.
Ibang level na, guys.
Totoo. Many first.
Hi, I'm Annie, and I'm a marketing manager.
Hi, I'm Louisa. I'm an account executive.
Yeah, and we used to work together from January to July.
She was my manager. I was a graphic artist for her marketing team.
How do we know each other and how did we meet?
I've been married with her sister for about 5 years.
We met in Boston because of my sister.
Yes.
And you were in school then, and my sister was there too, somewhat in real estate, taking up a course there.
Correct.
What do you like about me?
You're very adventurous. I mean, game for anything. Kasi ako very spontaneous as a person.
Okay.
Yeah. And medyo rare, surprisingly, to find someone na, despite your work schedule, na game ka sa mga gala. Yun nga, ng Palawan. Parang one day notice. Mga ganun.
I like that you're like a teacher at work. So since you're my first manager for my first work, I like that I learned a lot from you, and you're so patient. You're so patient at teaching me.
What do you think is my most annoying quality?
Madami. Pero yung paulit-ulit. Sinabi niya na or tinanong niya na maya-maya same question or same thing kahit nagawa mo.
I wouldn't really call it annoying. I think it would just be like your jokes.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have like dad jokes, but it's still quite
But I'm a
funny.
dad.
Oh yeah.
So it's okay.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay.
What adventures, experiences have we gone through together? I can think of many things.
Yeah, there are a lot. Parang, siguro yung pinaka-memorable was, parang one time, JP messaged me like, hey, gusto mo bang mag-El Nido? Sabi ko, ay, wala kang pera. Sabi niya, hindi, libre. Sabi ko, game. Tapos the next thing I knew, nasa plane na ako, papunta na ako ng El Nido.
Yeah, this was one day notice.
Yeah.
Actually, less than a day nga eh.
Oh. For me. Going through that company together. So, yeah, I think I'm happy that we both survived and we did a good job in that project.
True.
What has happened to you since the last time we hung out or talked?
A lot of drinking has happened. It's Christmas. And a lot of eating too.
Well, I went straight back to working. I tried to do what Yasha was doing, being account executive. You know, just to get the heck of it. I wanted to get out of creatives for a while, so I was like, oh, why not handle accounts? You know, that was what you were doing and what Yasha was doing, right? So I wanted to try it out.
What was your first impression of me?
Ooh. Cute. And mukhang mabait.
First impression ko sa kanya, akala ko very serious siya about work. Kunyari, may shoot dun sa restaurant. Parang talagang mag-shoot ka lang and then okay ka na. Parang gano'n.
Ako?
Oo.
Okay.
Parang hindi ka man lang tumatawa-tawa na. Gano'n. As in, talagang,
Bakit kailangan matawa-tawa muna pag picture?
wala lang. Parang fun, kunyari. Parang masaya ka naman sa ginagawa mo.
Masaya naman.
You were quiet and very, you were reserved. And I think I was right on. But then I saw that you were punctual too. And then I said, interesting, very professional.
You're intimidating because you're big. You're bigger than me.
Yeah.
And I think you're the MVP of the flag football. It's like, I can't mess with your sister.
Yeah.
Or else you're gonna kill me.
Yeah.
That was my
Could be,
first
could
impression.
be.
But turns out she's such a nice girl.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
Safe answer.
What is your fondest memory of me?
When we got married twice in a day.
Kailangan naming ikasal ng
6
church
a.m.
muna at 6 a.m. and then we got like all the loved ones,
Again.
30 people them in one place at 8:30 a.m. So yeah.
My fondest memory was of course when When you gave birth to Enzo and then we visited you, you were so happy. And that's something that I'll always remember. What do you really think of my family?
Awesome. Your family's awesome.
Yeah.
You better say the right answer, dude.
I think your family's awesome too. That's why I'm married into your family.
Yes.
Right?
Have you ever covered up for me at work? What happened?
Yeah, right. Sometimes.
A lot of times.
Yeah, sometimes. Because we had to. We
Oh,
were faced under
It was a
this.
teamwork, so kind of have to.
I think, yes. Pero since we're covering it up, syempre, bawal namin i-expose. Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Have I ever made you angry or upset? What happened?
Sometimes, nangyayari na block na siya kung ano yung memory na yun. Basta naalala ko yung experience na nagalit ako sa kanya. Pag late siya. Like, laging on time ako or early, siya laging late. Yun lang yung issue ko. Pero other than that, super perfect.
In my defense, at least pag sa work, hindi.
Yeah, true. Pag lumalabas lang.
Pag lumalabas lang kami, oo.
Yeah.
The worst, I made her wait 2 hours. Oo.
What am I like at work?
Very serious about work, I must say. Kasi parang outside of work, ayun nga, very bubbly, very outgoing. Pero pag nasa work talaga.
You're so chilly. You're so chill.
Same. You.
That's why it's so fun to work with you, actually. Because you're so chill and you never reprimand me. Even though I know sometimes na I need to be reprimanded.
How would you describe me to other people? I think you just did already.
Right? So
Yeah.
many times. Nick is the funniest guy I know. And the corniest one. Corniest and funniest guy.
Sino yan? May acting pa. Sino yan?
Ito si JP. Ano ko siya? Siya yung half of JD. Yung ano namin. Love team namin. Yeah. Yun lang.
Oo nga eh, parang
sad,
I expected more.
Ay, expect. Ito ba ito? Mga may messages na tayo sa each other. Yun lang.
What would you write on my Tinder or Bumble profile
Yun lang.
if you were the one to create my bio for me?
Hindi ko alam. Iba kasi hanap mo na joke.
Kaya sabihin na.
Something cat related. Because it's like you. So, and something fun and light.
Oh! Will you consider having a threesome?
No.
Why not?
Can't imagine. Ewan ko. Shock. Totoo ba to?
Totoo!
No.
Sige, basahin mo.
Hindi, I mean, ang sagot ko no. Ikaw?
Yeah. Same, no.
What? Really?
Wow, na-offend ka?
Have you ever cheated on me or thought about cheating?
Hindi pa ako nag-cheat. On married life.
Sa married life.
Hindi ako
Sa married life.
Hindi pa. Wala, hindi pa ako nakakapag-cheat.
Cheers muna before we...
Oo nga, for
yeah.
the last question.
Yeah, for the last question.
Okay.
Bottoms up.
And what have you learned from me?
Oh my god. A lot. And self-respect. Wow. Self-respect. Because you know how I was in the beginning? I was like, I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. I don't even give out my own opinions. And, you know, because of you, I kind of voiced out more, especially when you left. Because, you know, Yashua was also quiet. He's not the type to voice out, but, you know, for the team.
Yeah, you became the boss.
Yeah,
Go do it.
kinda.
Never pa ako nag-love life ever. Tapos, nag-make kami ng promise na sabi niya parang hindi dapat kami mag-settle for anyone below our standards. So parang, ayun, medyo until now, siya pa rin naiisip ko, kunyari kahit jowang-jowang na ako. Parang iniisip ko na lang na it's important to wait for the right person.
What have you learned from this, like catching a bottle of beer?
Well, I have learned that you actually like me. Because, the boss and mentee relationship, I never knew that outside of work it's gonna be like that.
I think it's a fun experience kasi alcoholic drinks or non-alcoholic drinks
parang it's always better with conversation.
I learned a few things that I didn't know about Dean, so yeah, great way of catching up.
Yeah, parang
Yes.
1 week lang na. Cheers!
It's more enjoyable to catch up with beer.
Yes.
Sometimes,
Cheers.
sometimes the beer's not enough, but there's always next time.
Exactly. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ang anticlimactic naman ng... sana nang please na lang yung last question.
Why?
Wow, marami.
Oh, this is my chance.
Hey, I don't have that bod.
What kind of body do you have?